Finally, this is going to be his first.
We're having a mother and daughter thing.
Oh, is that the big? What do you want? You're paying. I'm joking. Ito na lang po yung hindi niya kayang gawin.
And I only wish for one thing, to grow old with you.
Morning! Morning walk with Auntie and Lily and AA. So nagpunta dito yung kapatid ko, tsaka di ba alam niyo naman dito si Mama para samahan kami mag-adjust. Start kami 7 o'clock na, so medyo mainit na. Pero ang lalakaran namin ngayon, medyo wala masyadong sinag ng araw, so okay lang. Ayan, dito kami sa I think this is Rizal Drive ata, or mali. Baka mali. Malayo-layo pa tayo sa aming bahay. We are home! Ayan, naka-ready na si AA para sa kanyang initial evaluation para sa therapy. Come here, AA! Finally, this is going to be his first OT or yung occupational therapy niya. Para sa mga bago, AA is on the spectrum or he has ASD or Autism Spectrum Disorder. And nasa level 1 siya. So, na-diagnose siya last year ng August. And meron silang slot. One slot pa lang to, pero eventually, pag nadagdagan sila ng another parang opening, idadagdag yun weekly. Ang advice sa amin, 2 to 3 times a week na OT, and then speech once a week, which is ipapaschedule din namin yon. Hopefully, by next week. Are you excited? Ayan, so yung evaluation ni AA will cost us 3,680 ata. So, medyo pricey yung initial evaluation. Pero hindi naman ganun yung price ng kanyang per session. So, let's see. Are you singing?
Green frog.
Green frog.
Say hi, green frog.
Hi, green frog. No, that's not a frog. It's
Purple
a...
cat.
Oh, it's a purple cat.
White dog.
What's a white dog say? White dog pala yun. I love you so much.
I love you so much. One, two, three. Yay! High five, Aiden. I wish to. Okay. Here. Stretch out your legs. You still need to sleep?
Careful. Oh, shush. Look, oh, sit down. Ay, naku po. Ayaw. Oh, slide talaga siya. Okay, slide. Dinosaur. Oh, one more. What color is that? Orange. How about that one? What color is that? Good evening! Nakauwi na kami. Yung evaluation kasi, yung therapist, tinatanong ako ng mga bagay-bagay about kung ano yung mga hindi niya pa kayang gawin based on his age. Kasi yung occupational therapy daw is focus doon sa mga milestones na hindi pa nila nare-reach or para matulungan sila sa pang-araw-araw nilang pamumuhay. So that includes eating on their own, using spoon and fork, getting dressed, taking off their clothes, putting it on, ganon. Grooming, how do they take care of it themselves, marunong ba siya mag-follow ng direction. So sa mga ganitong mga bagay. So inisa-isa doon yung mga bagay na parang mag-around his age, yun dapat na i-develop pa lang. And parang most of them actually, nagagawa na niya. Kaya parang yung therapist sinatanong sa akin, bakit niya po siya dinala sa DevPed? So sabi ko, actually, ano nga po, yung nakaraan, last year pa kasi, kako kasi yun. Yun nga, nagko-cover siya ng ears kapag maingay. Sabi niya, okay, baka sensitive sa sounds. Tapos, at that time, pag tinatawag mo siya, hindi siya lumilingon sa pangalan niya. Ngayon lumilingon na kasi yun siya. Hindi siya nagwa-wave. Ngayon nagwa-wave na siya. Nag-hi siya sa halos lahat. Makikita niyo naman yan, di ba? Dati hindi siya nagpo-point. Ngayon nagpo-point na. Pwede po ba patingin kung pag hiningi ko po ba kay Aiden yung itong bagay na ito, bibigay niya po ba sa akin? Sabi ko, depende kung willing siya mag-share. Pag ako, at nasa mood siya to share, gagawin niya. Tapos sabi naman, pwede po ba patingin? Sabi ko, okay. Tinanong ko, Aiden, can you give mommy the star? So, hinanap niya yung star, kinuha niya. Tapos inabot niya sa akin, good job, thank you. Tapos binalik ko rin sa kanya. Sabi niya, okay. Sabi niya, that's good. That's really good kasi around his age, na mga peers niya na parang nasa spectrum, yun yung kadalasan na pinofocus nila na gawin. Kasi nga, 3 pa lang si Aiden, guys. Wala pa siyang, actually, not even 3 and a half. Ano pa lang siya, 3 and 4 months, ganyan. So, yung ganong age, kumaga parang toddler pa rin, baby pa rin siya. Kumakain ba siya mag-isa o nagpapasubo ba siya, ganyan. So, ang dami talaga. So, sabi ko, actually, kumukuha na siya sa sarili niyang water, ganyan-ganyan. Parang mostly na, parang hininda na gagawin dapat nilang pagpufokusan nila, nagawa na niya. So, nakakatawa yun, nakaka-proud yung part na yun. Tapos sabi sa akin, ng therapy, so ano na lang po yung hindi niya kayang gawin, ganyan-ganyan. Hindi niya palang kaya is mag-draw ng circle, square, ganyan. Alam niya na, na-identify niya na yan. Alam niya na yung letters. He can even identify words, like short words lang. Cat, green, red, pig, dog, yung mga short words. Alam niya na. Na-identify niya na yung words na yon. Pero yung pagsusulat talaga ng dodraw ng circle, pagte-trace, yan kako hindi pa. Sabi niya, okay, so fine motor skills, we're gonna focus on that. Huh?
No, mommy.
No, mommy, with what? No, mommy. Say hi to the guys.
Hi, guys. Stop it. Stop it. What these? My bear, my tutor. Pictures in every car.
Yun yung favorite niyang book. Brown Bear by?
Brown bear, my bear, my tutor. Pictures in every car.
Wow, kabisado niya talaga guys. Yung pangalan, yung writer, at saka yung animator. Animator ba tawag doon? Yung nagdodraw. Graphic artist.
Brown bear. And that's what the name book.
A wants milk?
It's milk.
The A wants milk?
Yeah. Milk.
Well, go get your milk. Go get your milk. You want me to help you open?
Help you.
Say, help me.
Help me.
Wow. Good job. And then?
Ta-da.
Ta-da! Okay, enough. That's enough. Go
Night
get-
milk. Say good night to milk.
Okay, good night, milk. Go get your spoon. Okay, get rid of this. So that you get more space. Gonna do it?
Yes, please, mommy. What number should I put it?
Number 2 is fine.
Number 2.
Any syrup or any?
Yes,
sauce?
please.
You want syrup?
Yes, yes, yes.
Oh, naman, you can make your own breakfast na.
There, alright. Just
Good job. Enjoy! Good morning, guys. Today, kami lang. So, without daddy, wala si mama. So, living alone with my kids again tayo. Where's A going?
go see teacher Aya.
Si Teacher Aya. Going to therapy, si AA. Are you excited?
Go down.
Oh, you did a fall.
Mom, sit down here.
Yeah, Mommy will sit down here. Nandito na kami sa therapy center ni AA. Therapy niya ngayon. May OT siya today. So excited. Happy ako for him. Ang struggle pag wala tayong kasama. Come on, come on. AA, let's go upstairs. Are you excited? Are you excited? Show me excited face. Show me happy face. Show me sad face. Oh, so angry. Oh, Josh. So,
We're having a mother and daughter's day.
Oh, not today. Time lang. 1 hour lang. Ayan. So, nasa therapy si AA. Nagantay kami doon. Tapos sinanong ko kung okay lang ba na iwanan namin si AA. Kung kailangan ba ako doon. Basta daw 10 minutes before yung labas. Kailangan nandun ako para makapag-discuss pa kung ano nangyari, kung ano yung focus, mga ganyan, may update. So, sabi ko, sige para mailabas ko ito. At excited daw siya. What did you wanna do?
I want to eat.
What do you wanna eat? I'm just thinking maybe coffee bean, so it's close.
And mommy.
Yeah? Let's sit down while we're waiting. While we're chika.
Ah!
Is it hot?
My bonbon.
It's hot. So what, do you want coffee bean na lang? Maybe they have pastry inside. They have food, you know, inside. Yeah?
Mommy.
Yeah.
My bonbon is burning slowly.
Come on, dali. Or do you wanna go to the grocery store?
Mommy, do you remember that place?
Ito naman, nag-iiba ng
croissant.
channel. Where?
There.
Where?
Somewhere in that place. Up there.
I don't remember up there. I think we've got croissant from Coffee Bean. But it's not Nono. I think in Nono's they have croissant, but I've never tried it. We never been and we never got anything there. Ang init to, pawis ako.
Oh my god, my bonbon.
Ano, come on na. Decide na, anak.
It can be anything.
Really?
It can be coffee bean.
Let's go to Coffee Bean and then check what they have.
Yeah.
Okay. Ano to siya, indecisive, pareho kami. Kaya pag lumalabas kami, siya yung pinag-decide ko. Eh, dahil indecisive siya, lagi na lang ako naman din mag-decide after that. So anyway, let's go. It's what?
My bonbon is not hot.
Come on. Maybe they have table inside. Dito lang dyan lang sa taas yung therapy center ni AA. Come on. This way, anak. Look, they got food. They got burgers. Hi, they got pizza, salads, bacon and eggs and hash brown.
Sounds nice.
Beef tapa, baked eggs with spinach and salmon, steak eggs and garlic rice, pancakes. They got blueberries pancakes or caramelized bananas pancakes. Waffles. Wow. Fries and dip. So, what do you want? You're paying. I'm joking. I'm paying. I'm joking. I'm paying. Kinabahan. Kuripot na to siya eh. You do.
Took my money.
We put it in the bank. Oh, come on na. Oh, they got mac and cheese.
I can see everything.
Huh?
There's so many other things. I just need.
Should we go inside first
I think.
so we can decide? Come on. Done with therapy. All done. Let's go home now.
No.
What do you want?
Frozen yogurt.
Frozen yogurt? You want a treat? Huh?
Yogurt.
Yogurt?
Yeah.
Yes, okay.
Yogurt.
Ate Lily's paying.
Look at the paintings, I'll be your guide. Don't stop looking in my eyes. Are you cold? Do you want to sit down? I've been here a million times, so I know my way around. Don't stop looking at me now.
Aiden!
I know you don't care as much as I do, but I'm just content with me next to you. Let's go to an art museum, I'll explain it at the coffee shop. I know you don't get it, but there's no need to fret it. It's like a gift, it's about the thought. Monet might be too much and Van Gogh might take a while, but thank you for coming. I know that you're trying to do anything to make me smile. You're my better half, a part of me through and through. And I only wish for one thing: to grow old with you.